Hey guys, my name is Nikki. I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so today's cleaning video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a real-time cleaning video. I've got a few deep cleaning tasks in my kitchen that I need to get done. My kitchen is not like a huge mess or anything like that right now, but I've really been wanting to wipe out my microwave and my toaster oven. I've got like a stone that I really need to wash. I really want to give my countertops like a really good wipe down, things like that. So I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes and I'm going to do this in real time. I'm not going to speed anything up. The first thing I'm going to be doing is cleaning out my microwave. I like to fill up a glass measuring cup with water and then I like to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, and that just kind of heats everything up and loosens everything up so that it's really easy to wipe out. Now I'm going to wipe down my toaster oven. I'm taking out a piece of tin foil that was down in the bottom. I'm going to take out the stone because it needs to be washed. The tray needs to be washed. And then I'm just going to wipe everything down with my kitchen e-cloth. You're going to see me use this e-cloth pretty much through this whole video. I really like these because you only have to use water. It's going to clean all the grime off of everything, and it's also going to disinfect. If e-cloths are something that you are interested in, I do have them linked down below in my Amazon storefront so that you can check them out. My microwave was on the grimy side. We have been popping microwave popcorn in here, so there was lots of butter splatters from that, but the e-cloth did a great job removing all the grease. Sometimes when I clean up the kitchen at night, these stones are too hot to clean, so I'll just leave them out overnight and let them cool off, and then I will clean them up the next day. Clean the front of my dishwasher, I'm just wiping it down with the stainless e-cloth, then drying it with the polishing e-cloth, and it does a really good job. I don't have any streaks when I'm done. My counters are nice and clean again, and my 10 minutes is almost up. I don't always have big windows of time that I can just clean and clean and clean. Sometimes I really have to just take advantage of these little pockets of time, and when I do, it's always nice to see that I really can get a few things accomplished. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I do post new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you enjoy these kind of videos, please give this video a thumbs up. And again, thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys soon.